Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Tfuel. In my previous videos of Tfuel, I have been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that Tfuel formed on a weekly time frame chart. And when I shared my last video with you, at that time I was showing you that it is about to break the resistance of that falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern and rallied very well so far. From this though to here, you can see that T-Fuel has rallied almost 394%. And during this rally, it has broken out so many significant resistance levels. And finally, it got rejected by this long-term resistance of 15 cents. In fact, this is a complete resistance on that starts from 11.5 cents and goes to 15 cents. And now you can see still it is struggling to break out this resistance on. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge breakout from this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And at the same time, you can see that the price line is also struggling to break out this quite long-term upward trend line resistance. You can see when it was moving inside this wedge here, we found this resistance here. We got rejection here. We got another rejection here. And this is the most recent rejection that has happened here in the previous week. And we will also want this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for nulls, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 27th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing the signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price then moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite powerful pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Tfuel. And this is the weekly time frame chart. And this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos for the past several months. You can see that Tfuel is moving. It was moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after the month of May 2021. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, and after finding a quite long-term support here at 3 cents, you can see that this 3 cents has been previously working as a support and resistance here. And after this huge drop, it again worked as a nice support here in the month of December 2022, again worked as a nice support here and here as well. And finally, the price then broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And after that, it first broke out this very significant resistance of 4 cents that was previously working as a support here, and resistance here. And after the breakout, it has been again working as a very nice support. And after that, it also broke out the next resistance of 5 cents as well. That was previously working as a support here for several weeks, a month, and support here. And here it has been working as a resistance. And now here for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance. And after the breakout from this resistance of 5 cents, the price line imminently broke out the next resistance of 7.5 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks, a month. And now after the breakout, you can see it is flipped into a nice support. The price line tested this level as a support and geared up. And now it is starting to break out this quite long-term resistance of 11.5 cents. That was previously working as a support here. And now it is again working as a resistance. And after that, we will have the next major resistance here at 15 cents. In fact, this is a complete resistance zone that starts from 11.5 cents and goes to 15 cents. You can see that previously it had been working as a support zone here, and support zone here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a strong resistance. And now the price line is struggling to break it out. And after the breakout, the next major resistance will be here. That will be approximately at 25 cents. That can be a quite big jump from 15 cents to 25 cents because there is no major support and resistance between these two levels. Therefore, there will be a quite highly probable that the price line after breaking out this resistance, the price line may soon read through the next resistance of 25 cents. And we may also expect that the price line can also break out this uptrend line resistance as well. By the way, you can see that the price line has also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Therefore, there is a very high probability that the price line may soon break out this resistance on, because now this Ichimoku bearish cloud can work as a very long-term support, and it can also lift the price line to the upside for a very long-term bull rally. However, if we take a look at the target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 70 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.